Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you guys the top 10 products that I use for my baby girl. Things that work for us, things that we love, things that she loves. I also purchased some things that I did not like and had to return and replace with something that did work for her. I will say that these items that I'm going to be showing you guys are only items that work for me. I'm not saying that they're going to work for you. They may not. But I'm going to share with you guys what works for us and what helps us in our routines. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. If you want to see the top 10 products that we use for our baby girl, stay tuned. So the first category we want to start with is where she sleeps. I originally ordered this bassinet before she was born, and I loved it. Mainly because of the color. I did not look at the reviews. I didn't look at anything else, but I was searching on buybuy BABY and I loved the color. So I ordered it. We picked it up from buybuy BABY. We brought it home, put it together. It was beautiful. It matched the room. It matched everything. Our bed is a platform bed and it's gray. So it matched perfectly in our room. However, it is not a good bassinet for me, someone who had a C-section, as well as a platform bed. It sat up really high. She was really low in the bassinet, and I couldn't see her around the bassinet. So I was a little concerned with that, not being able to see her, not really being able to hear her either because of the fabric of the bassinet. So we did return it and we purchased this bassinet. It is the Halo bassinet. It's the swivel version. I absolutely love it. It is completely mesh around the sides. You can swivel it to bring it towards you, to push it away from you. It's almost as if she's sleeping in the bed with you because you can bring it that close to you. The side of it where she is laying, you can push down with your arms and pick her up. So that was a must-have for me. That bassinet is a must-have. It is a little bulky. It's very heavy. There's different versions of it, but I absolutely love this bassinet. So as far as travel, we purchased the Nuna Pippa car seat for her, and we ordered the Even Flow Pivot travel system. She did not like that Nuna Pippa. Now, it had so many great reviews. I'm thinking that she's going to love it. It's so comfortable. The padding around it is so comfortable, but she didn't like it. She cried all the time. So we took it back. We kept the Even Flow Pivot set, and she loves being in that car seat. She rarely cries. It's really comfortable. It comes with an insert that you can take out and make it more comfortable for her if she gets a little bigger. However, we did take that out. So we did take the Nuna Pippa back. It was my favorite. It was expensive, so it was okay with me taking it back. But you know, we loved that car seat and that travel system. So we took it to Florida with us. It comes with a it comes in 3 different ways. So you can use the car seat on the stroller base, or you can use the bassinet / stroller seat. And we used it in Florida and it was absolutely amazing. So I love the Even Flow Pivot car seat travel system. So as far as entertainment is concerned, we absolutely love, and she absolutely loves, the 4 Moms Mamaroo. It is a lifesaver. When I tell you guys it is a lifesaver, I mean it. She will sit in it, and she will sit in it for a long time. Now, I'm not saying that I leave my baby in this swing, but it is an absolutely comfortable swing for her. It has 6 different settings, so it moves 6 different ways. I think it has up to 4 speeds, if I'm not mistaken. Each setting has 4 speeds. and you're able to attach your music to it. It is Bluetooth, so I can control it from my phone if I'm in the kitchen cooking, or if I'm, you know, in the living room cleaning. I don't have to walk up to the machine and change the setting or change the speed or add different music. I can connect it to my phone. It is Bluetooth, and I can do it through my phone. So it is very convenient, and it is a wonderful product. All right, so another one of my favorite products is the Boppy pillows. She has the Boppy pillow that I can wrap around my waist and feed her that way. My son loves to use this Boppy pillow to hold her, especially when she was a lot smaller. And then the other Boppy pillow I love is the lounger, the infant lounger. It is amazing. She's so comfortable on it. Even right now she's a little big for it, but you know, that just recently happened. So we love the Boppy brands. The Boppy pillows are amazing. So another one of my favorite products are the CoSleepers. I received this CoSleeper as a gift at my baby shower. It is so convenient, especially if she's laying on the couch and I don't want her to roll off. Baby girl is moving pretty fast, and she's rolling over. She's laying on her belly. I don't know if she really should be, but she loves to be on her belly. She does not like laying on her back at all. She's able to lift up her head, but when I put her inside of the CoSleeper on the couch, it prevents her from like rolling off the couch and things like that. So I absolutely love this CoSleeper. All right, so as far as diapering is concerned, I absolutely love the Pampers brand. We've tried the Honest brand, we've tried Huggies, we've tried Loves, but the Pampers brand works best for Mariah. So we use the Pampers Pure brand. It is really nice on her skin. It's very, very soft. And then at night, just because, you know, she does urinate a lot, so we use the Pampers Baby Dry on her at night. Sounds crazy, but you know, it kind of helps with her peeing through the diaper. I don't think that she'll do it through the Pampers Pure, but when I had my son, we did the same thing. So we used the Swaddlers for him, and then at night we used the Baby Dry, and it kind of helps with preventing the peeing through her clothes and things like that onto her. So although I do not like the Honest diapers, they're beautiful, they're really pretty, they have nice prints. I don't like them because you can't tell if she's peed in it, even though, you know, if it's full, you can tell, but like it doesn't have that blue line going down it like the Pampers do. I don't like the diapers at all, but I absolutely love their wipes. They are very soft on the skin and they are wet all the time. So I love their brand. They're really high in price, but like I will spend the extra for my daughter to have items that work for her, you know. So she has very sensitive skin as well, so she can't use everything, but I love these wipes. They are amazing. So as far as bathing is concerned, we purchased the Baby Blooming flower. I think I'm saying that right. It is a really cute product, and it is very convenient. We loved it. We put it in our kitchen sink. We bathe her in it. She's able to go into different positions to clean her body. She absolutely loved being able to hang her, sit her face on the petal of the flower and have the water running on her back. But that was one item which she kind of grew out of it, which brings me to another one of my favorite products, which is her Summer brand bathtub. I take showers with Mariah when we are rushing, so this tub has a shower spigot that is on the bathtub, so I'm able to fill that up with water, spray her with that, and she loves it. So as far as bathing is concerned, we love the Baby Blooming flower, and we love the Summer brand bathtub. Right. So another well, two of our favorite products would be these two bottles, the Nano BB bottles and the Mum bottles. What I love about the Nano BB bottles, they are to mimic your breast. And when Mariah was breastfeeding, I was doing both breastfeeding and bottle feeding, but with breast milk. And the Nano BB bottles are to resemble your breast. I wanted to wean her off of my boob because I will be going back to work, and her care provider needs to be able to feed her without her being cranky. So these are to resemble the boob. So to get her off of my boob and to wean her off of that, those bottles were really, really good for that. It comes in a set. It comes in different things. I'll insert a picture here of what they look like. And we just like them. Now, even now when she's, you know, being able to hold her own bottle, those bottles will really work for her because it has a way that she can hold them without dropping it or anything like that. We absolutely also love the Mum, and I hope I'm saying those correctly too, but the Mum, Ma'am, whatever, those bottles, the nipple on those bottles are really, really different. They're flat at the top. She's able to latch onto it really well, and they're really good for colicky babies. Now, she wasn't colicky, but she was very gassy, and it helped prevent the gassiness that she was having as well. So as far as bottles are concerned, we loved those. So as far as soothers are concerned, now you guys are probably like, she doesn't need a pacifier anyway, you know, let her just kind of calm herself down. I don't mind. I'm a pacifier mom. My son had them, but I love the Mum brand pacifiers, and she loves them too. She has one particular one that is her favorite, and it's green. But these pacifiers are really, really good. The ratings on them, they say that they're good for good oral health. For her teeth, when they come in, they won't, you know, be shaped a certain way to where she'll need a whole bunch of braces unless, you know, her teeth come in that way. But you know, they're really good for her, and they soothe her very, very well. So that's another one of my favorite. All right, so I do want to go back to the bathing part of it. Our favorite products to use on her for bathing, we've tried so many different things. We tried the Dove, we've tried the Honest brand, we've tried different brands on her, and it seems that the only brands that we really like and that really work for her are the Shea Moisture Baby brand and the Aveeno Lavender, which is the calming, the Aveeno calming brand. I use the Shea Moisture throughout the day for her because it has more of a daily scent to it. And then I use the Aveeno calming with the lavender at night for her. It does actually calm her at night, and it does help her sleep well at night. So I do love Aveeno and the Shea Moisture. I use the coconut Shea Moisture, coconut oil version for her hair, and I use the oil as well. So those are our favorite brands for her. So I wanted to add a couple of bonus items to our list of must-haves. This one particular item I said I would never, ever purchase. I did purchase it by accident, and when I tell you, it sounds disgusting, but it is the best product I have ever purchased for her. Ever. Like, when I say ever, I mean it. It is the Nose Frida. It is 10 times better than an aspirator and using a tissue to clean out her nose. It sounds disgusting, like you have to put it in her nose and suck it out with your mouth, but it really literally gets everything out of her nose, out of her mouth, anything. And it doesn't get transferred to your mouth, but it gets her nose completely cleaned out. And whoever created it, you guys are amazing. So my last bonus items that I want to add to our list of must-haves is the sterilizer and her bottle warmer. It is by Baby Britza. I love her bottle warmer, and I love the sterilizer. It is kind of small with the sterilizer. It's kind of small. I think it only takes up to 6 bottles, but you can do the nipples, the brim around the bottles and things like that, all on the top of the sterilizer. So I do absolutely love them. I have 2 bottle warmers, but my favorite would be the Baby Britza, and the sterilizer, the brand for that would be the Baby. All right, guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful in helping you purchase items for your newborns, your babies up until about 4 months. I will do another video for 5 months to about maybe 9 months. But are you enjoying that? But again, I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.